Right now, someone out there is quietly rebuilding their life from scratch. No applause, no help, no encouraging words, just pure inner strength. And the truth is that someone might be you. Before you continue scrolling, give me a few minutes, because what I am going to tell you might just be the push you have been waiting for. And stay until the end. There's a truth that has changed thousands of lives. Welcome back to MissMorningMuse. This is not just a channel, this is a space where your mind wakes up, your heart finds clarity, and your English grows naturally while your confidence rises. Today's video is a reminder for anyone who has ever felt tired, discouraged, misunderstood, or stuck. This is for you. You are stronger than you remember. Let's begin with something you often forget. You have already survived the hardest days of your life. Think about it. Every difficulty, every heartbreak, every long night, every moment where you thought, I can't do this, you made it through. You are still here, still standing, still fighting, and that means you are doing something. Repeat this in English. I have survived before. I can survive again. Let the words settle inside you. Here is the science of not giving up. Motivation is not a magic, it's biology. Your brain is wired to protect you from discomfort. That's why you avoid challenges. But here's the twist. Every time you take a small step forward, your brain releases dopamine, the chemical of progress. Small steps is equal to big rewards. That's why even teeny improvements matter. You are not lazy, you are just human, and humans grow one step at a time. Just remember, your pain has a purpose. Have you ever noticed how pain changes you? Makes you more aware, more resilient, more appropriate? Pain is not the end of your story. It's the chapter that teaches you who you really are. People don't become strong because life is easy. They become strong because life teased them. And you, yes you are being shaped for something bigger than your current situation is. If you are still watching, it means something inside you refuses to give up. That's your inner strength speaking. Hold on to it. You are not behind. Maybe you look around and feel like everyone else is ahead. Someone your age is earning more, someone younger is successful, someone else seems happier. But here's something you need to hear. You are not late. You are not behind. You are on your own timeline. Some people bloom at 18, some at 25, some at 40 or 60. The flower that blooms later often blooms brighter. Repeat this slowly. My journey is different. My pace is perfect for me. Let's discuss the power of starting small. Most people never achieve their dreams because they wait. Wait for motivation, wait for the perfect moment, wait to feel ready. But champions don't wait. They start, just start. Even if they are scared, even if they are not ready, even if they have no idea what they are doing. Action creates clarity. Movement creates motivation. Success loves momentum. You don't need approval to chase your goals. You don't need everyone to believe in you. You don't need to explain your dreams to those who don't understand. The world has enough doubters. Be your own believer. Repeat this in English. I don't need permission to become who I want to be. Your breakthrough is usually one step after I can't anymore. Here's a strange truth. Many people quit right before life is about to change for them. Why? Because the universe tastes your commitment. It asks, do you really want this? Are you really ready? And only those who keep going even when they are tired reach the breakthrough. Often, your miracle is just one more push away. Your future self is waiting. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine the version of you who has everything: the confidence, the peace, the success, the happiness, the discipline, everything. That future you is real. They are waiting. Every good decision you make brings you one step closer to them. So, my friend, you are capable of so much more than you have seen. You are stronger than you think, smarter than you believe, more resilient than you realize. And if you choose, just choose to take one small step today, your life will begin to change. This is your sign. This is your moment. This is your turning point. And if you want more videos that motivate your mind and grow your English naturally, just hit that like button, subscribe and join this family, your Miss Morning Muse community. Until then, stay motivated, stay learning and stay becoming the best version of yourself.